I'm celebrating that there is more light in the world, that light is becoming like a material, like a part of the substance of our life. And there is more awareness, there is more connection to light. And that's what I'm celebrating. That's what the longevity of this studio represents. It's not that we have worked hard, we have, but that's not why. It's because there is a growing and increasing awareness of and connection to light. I feel like so encouraged. It feels like we're just starting. Like 15 years, it's like a foundation upon which we can stand and expand and deepen into an expression of light and awareness that we've just scratched the surface of. That's what I'm celebrating.
15 years of collaboration with highly skilled and talented people who really are the key to us being able to deliver the quality and the majesty of our light works. And wow, do we love what we do. And what an honour it is to continue to share it with you.